In this lesson, I will tell you about launching iRidium projects on devices which are operated by Windows OS. Downloading already iRidium projects on Windows devices is the same procedure as it was with other panels, but there are some specific features. When your project is created in iRidium GUI editor and it's stored for its launching and then running on a control device, you should use iRidium Transfer application. It's a special application which sets up connections between control panels so they could work on target devices. Now you can see iRidium Transfer on your screen. It has 3 tabs. The first tab, Panels. It contains all control devices which you can download iRidium projects on. The Projects tab contains files or interfaces which can be downloaded on control devices. And the third tab, Licenses, contains all your license files. In the Panels tab, you should set up relations between project files, license files, and control panels where projects should work on. While the first start of iRidium Transfer, only one panel will be available. It's your own PC. You have to fill in the marked red fields. That means you have to select a license for your personal computer and a project which will be launched on it. To add a project in iRidium Transfer, you should use the drag and drop method. You just have to drag the project in the IRPZ format to the application window, and you will see a dialog window. It's a dialog window of pre-start settings. Here you can indicate if the project needs to be launched in the widescreen mode or if it should be launched without the application frame. Here you can also select project position or show it above all windows. For windows based on sensor panels, you can switch off showing the cursor. By pressing the OK button, you confirm adding your project to the list of iRidium Transfer application. So when the project is added, you have to add a license to the transfer. This license must be activated with the identifier of your computer or the computer where the project will work. Licenses are also added by the drag and drop method. After these described actions, you can select the license and the project which will be launched on your PC. If you want iRidium projects to be downloaded and launched on another computer via local net, you should use the Search for Panels function. This function is activated by pressing the button in the toolbox of iRidium Transfer. It enables you to find all devices where iRidium app is launched in the local net. The iRidium app application for Windows is a part of iRidium environment and it's available after its installation on your PC. When Search for Panels is finished, you will receive a list of panels where iRidium app is launched. In this list, you can set up relations between licenses, projects, and corresponding panels. And when everything is ready, you can start the application on your computer. You can do it using the Start menu. iRidium app will connect to Transfer and download the project and license selected for it. By pressing the Reload button, you can update the project when adding some changes to it. While adding any change to the project with the help of iRidium GUI editor, you should re-upload the project in Transfer by pressing the Reload button in the right-click menu. So you can upload and update any project on any Windows-based PC or panel available in your local net or via the internet, but you should take into the account that all properties should be set up right. You can find instructions of setting up remote GUI updating on our wiki. I should mention that one of the most convenient buttons in the toolbox of iRidium GUI editor is Send to Panel. It enables the upload of the interface edited at the moment in iRidium Transfer. And while that uploading, you can select a panel which you want your project to be sent to. At first start of iRidium transfer, the dialog window will open. Here you'll have to select a panel which you want to upload your design on, and at next presence, while selecting the Send to Panel command, your project will be sent to the indicated control panel with the running iRidium app on it. If you need it, you can disable update function on the setting of iRidium app application, but in this case, or in the case when iRidium app is not running on your personal computer, the fields in the Panels tab in Transfer will be marked red. Now you can see these red fields. If in the settings of iRidium app the updating function is off, the panel indicator will be marked yellow. Projects ready for launching will be marked green. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention.